Hello everyone. Like my video and subscribe to my channel please, and ring the bell so you can get a notification on future videos. Today I want to give you 10 different ad types on Facebook. When you get into using social media for advertising, you need to strategize your efforts so you'll be aware of the impact your ads will have. Did you know there are 10 different types of ads on Facebook? Let's look at the various types of ads Facebook offers. Number 1, clicks to website. Clicks to website ads allow you to link to specific pages on your website in the news feed for both desktop and mobile users, as well as the right sidebar. Number 2, website conversions. Website conversions ads allows you to direct visitors to specific pages with the goal of turning these visitors into sales, leads, and subscribers. Before you create your ad, you'll want to add conversion tracking pixel to your website. You can create conversion tracking pixels in your Facebook Ads Manager. You'll create a pixel to be added to each page of your website that signifies the completion of a specific goal, such as the order confirmation page when people make a purchase, or the thank you page when people send in a lead form. Once you set up your conversion tracking pixel, you can create website conversion ads. Website conversion ads can be placed in the news feed for both desktop and mobile users, as well as the right sidebar. Number 3, page post engagement. Page post engagement ads allow you to increase the number of likes, shares, and comments on your Facebook page post. You'll be able to use video, photo, or text ads in the news feed for both desktop and mobile users, as well as the right sidebar. Number 4, page likes. Page likes allow you to target the audience that will most likely be converted into business or encourage them to become fans of your page. As you grow your fan base, you'll be able to target ads and organic posts at potential customers to get more likes on Facebook. You can place page like ads in the news feed for both desktop and mobile users, as well as the right sidebar. Number 5, app installs. App installs ads allows you to increase the number of people using your mobile app with ad placement in the news feed of mobile users. Number 6, app engagement. App engagement allows you to encourage people to use your app more often with the ad placement in the news feed of mobile users. Number 7, event responses. Event responses ads allow you to get more exposure for your upcoming event, along with responses from the people you've invited. You can place event responses ads in the right sidebar for desktop users. Number 8, video views. Video views ads allows you to drive just that, views to your videos. These ads are optimized by Facebook to be shown to people most likely to view videos on Facebook across devices. Number 9, offer claims. Offer claims ads allows you to drive people to your store using a special offer. You can place offer claims ads in the news feed for both desktop and mobile users, as well as the right sidebar. Number 10, premium ads. Facebook also offers premium ad placement for those that want to guarantee their ad shows up at the top of the news feed or the right sidebar for targeted users, or those that want to get placement of a large ad on the logout page. Premium ads generally need to be purchased as CPM via an insertion order, but some can be created in the Facebook Power Editor. These ads are for larger advertisers with higher ad budgets than most average small to medium-sized business owners would have to work with. Facebook lets you place most ads in the news feed of desktop users and mobile users, or in the right sidebar depending on the ad type and placement. Depending on the ad type and placement, the specs for maximum amount of text, image aspect ratio, image size, and video aspect ratio vary. For optimum display and effect, be sure to review the ad specs for the ad type you're creating, along with specific placement options. You can find full details about ad specs, along with examples of each in the Facebook Ads Product Guide Overview in Facebook's Help Center. Note that there are 2 ways to create some types of advertisement: by linking them to a Facebook page you own, or not linking them to a Facebook page. So you need to understand advertisements not linked to a Facebook page will only be placed in the right sidebar for desktop users. I hope this helps you gain a little idea of the different types of ads. I'll make a video later of how to use Ads Manager to place an ad also. It's not as complicated as it seems like it should be, but these are necessary to doing business on Facebook anyway. Maybe we'll do the same for all top social medias so you can understand the basics of them all, and then you'll have a better informed decision of where you want to advertise. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any of you that want to comment, do that too. Questions be taken seriously. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my birds too. They seem to be noisy today. Thank you.